If you're nearing retirement or already there, you're likely looking for ways to maximize your savings and make sure your hard-earned wealth lasts throughout your retirement years. One of the best strategies to ensure that is by using Roth IRA conversions. But here's the thing, many people don't fully understand how Roth IRA conversions can work for them. And if you don't do them right, you could end up paying more in taxes than necessary. That's why in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make Roth IRA conversions work in your favor, and how this strategy can help you grow your wealth for years to come. And trust me, this isn't something you'll want to miss. Stay tuned to the end for a very special offer that can help protect your wealth, especially if you have a significant amount saved up. Now, Roth IRA conversions are a powerful tool, especially for retirees. The idea is simple. You convert funds from a traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA. The key benefit here is that Roth IRAs grow tax-free, and when you start taking distributions in retirement, those distributions are also tax-free. That means your withdrawals won't increase your taxable income, giving you more flexibility when it comes to your taxes. But here's the catch. When you convert funds, you have to pay taxes on the amount you convert. So it's crucial to do this strategically. If you do a big conversion in 1 year, you could end up in a higher tax bracket, paying more than you need to. That's why it's important to plan your conversions over several years, spreading them out so you don't get hit with a massive tax bill all at once. One common mistake people make is waiting too long to do Roth IRA conversions. They think they'll be in a lower tax bracket when they retire, but the reality is that taxes are likely going up in the future. You could save a lot of money by converting when your tax rate is lower. So if you're serious about making this strategy work for you, now might be the perfect time to start converting some of your savings. But what if you're sitting on a traditional IRA or 401k and you're unsure whether converting is the right move? Well, I'll tell you, gold IRAs are a far better option than traditional retirement accounts. And here's why. Not only do they provide a hedge against inflation, but they also offer tax-deferred growth similar to a traditional IRA. And you can make Roth IRA conversions within the gold IRA structure. This is a game changer for those looking to protect their wealth and take advantage of the long-term growth potential that precious metals offer. And if you're concerned about volatility in the stock market, gold IRAs offer the security you need. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth. And if you want to learn more, click the first link in the description below to get a free gold IRA guide that will explain everything. Now, back to Roth IRA conversions. Another strategy to consider is timing your conversions based on your income needs. If you have large income years where you're in a higher tax bracket, it might be better to hold off on conversions during that time. But during years when you're making less income, you can convert more without bumping yourself into a higher tax bracket. It's also important to think about your heirs. If you don't plan on using all of your retirement savings, a Roth IRA conversion can be an excellent way to leave your family with tax-free assets. They'll be able to inherit the Roth IRA and avoid paying taxes on it, which can be a huge benefit to your beneficiaries. And here's something to think about. If you're considering a Roth IRA conversion, but you're worried about the taxes, you could consider converting just a portion of your IRA or 401k each year. By keeping the amount manageable, you won't overwhelm yourself with taxes, and you'll still enjoy the long-term benefits of tax-free growth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, and you have over 100k in your IRA or 401k, or even up to 5ME plus in savings, I highly recommend checking out the free guide I've mentioned earlier. This could be the next step to ensuring that your savings are working as hard as possible for you in retirement. To sum it all up, Roth IRA conversions are a powerful tool to optimize your tax situation and grow your wealth. But they require strategy and careful planning. And if you really want to take your wealth to the next level, consider diversifying into a gold IRA. Click the first link below to learn more about how gold IRAs are helping thousands of retirees secure their financial future. If you want to protect your wealth in the next 2 weeks, don't wait. Take action now and find out how gold IRAs can offer you the peace of mind you deserve in retirement.